let's unbox this beautiful piece from Monsoon Mushq collection, Coral Almond. Here we have this beautiful golden ball for the neckline. You can call it as a button also. Next we have this beautiful hand embellished neckline. It has diamantes, sequins, resham, zari, all work is done on the neckline. See how beautiful the finishing is. The color contrast and everything is just so mesmerizing. Secondly, we have this again hand embellished borders lace for the sleeves. You can check out the work here, the neatness. It has diamantes, latkan, sequence work, zari work. Beautiful hand embellished lace for the sleeves. Third, we have this again hand embellished neckline for the back of the gown. You can check out the same work here. The diamantes, sequins, zari work, very beautiful handwork done. Here we have the sleeves fabric. It's fully embroidered on chiffon fabric. You can check out the design here. It's all embroidered with beautiful sequins work done on it. Very rich and high end quality fabric it is. You can check out the how neat the work is done. The designing is done all over the sleeves. Second, we have this full gown fabric. It's fully embroidered same as on chiffon with beautiful work of sequins and zari done with it. The front and back both are embroidered. Next we have this beautiful lace, heavy embroidered lace for the bottom of the frock or the gown, you can say. It is fully embroidered, very heavy work done on it with sequins. Very nice, very neat embroidery done. It's a big lace, so you can get it attached in front and back as well. Second, we have these two fabrics. This one is for the trouser. It's a raw silk trouser. And here we have the cotton silk undershirt. Next we have this samosa lace for finishing. It's golden in color. You can get it attached in the panelings for the gown, like you can see in the design. Next we have this lace for the dupatta. It's a very big lace that will come all around the dupatta. Lastly, we have this beautiful printed organza dupatta. It's a very unique print, and all over the dupatta there's a sequence work done. Sequence little flowers are made. So you've got the sequence embroidered organza dupatta. Hope you like the unboxing of this suit. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel.